What is renter's insurance? A renter's insurance policy is a group of coverages designed to help protect renters living in a house or apartment. A typical renter's insurance policy includes three types of coverage that help protect you, your belongings, and your living arrangements. What does renter's insurance cover? Renter's insurance, sometimes referred to as tent insurance, helps cover unaccepted events, otherwise known as covered perils. You may not always be able to prevent current situations such as theft, a break-in, or a visitor's injury, and that's where renter's insurance comes in. This table breaks down the different types of coverages in a renter's insurance policy and what they usually cover. Renters insurance and personal property coverage. Personal property coverage, a standard component of renters insurance, may help cover the cost of replacing your stuff if it's unaccepted, damages, or destroyed. This protection generally applies to certain risks, also referred to as perils such as a fire, according to the Insurance Information Institute. For example, if your furniture and clothing are destroyed by a fire, this coverage may help you pay for the cost of replacing them. However, remember that coverage limits the maximum amount your policy will pay for personal property losses will apply. Does renter's insurance cover theft? If your renter's insurance policy includes personal property coverage, it may help pay to replace your stolen item. This coverage typically protects items stolen after a break-in at your rental property or even items stolen outside of your rental. For example, if your personal property such as a gaming system is stolen from your car, the personal property coverage in your rental policy may help pay to replace it. Keep in mind that personal property coverage is usually subject to a deductible. This means you have to pay a current amount of money toward the covered items repair or replacement before your insurer will help pay for the loss. Be sure to read your insurance policy carefully to understand what may or may not be covered. How much personal property coverage do I need? Think of everything you own. The value of your belongings can quickly add up. How much would it take to replace them if they were damaged or destroyed? When purchasing a renter's insurance policy, you may have a few different choices when it comes to selecting personal property coverage. Here are a few things to keep in mind. You will want to seek coverage limits that are appropriate for your situation. Creating an inventory of the belongings you store in your apartment at home may help you assess the value of your things so you can decide how much personal property coverage is right for you. You may also have to decide what kind of personal property coverage to purchase. A policy that provides actual cash value protection typically covers belongings up to their current market value. Taking a depreciation into account, a policy that includes replacement cost coverage may help you pay to replace your items or at today's retail prices after a covered loss.